Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk or continue with our integration. That's our double integration, and today this is the problem we are going to solve. Okay, so first of all, we can rewrite our points. So from 1 to 2, integral from 0 to 1 of 1 all over 2x, and write bigger, 1 all over 2x plus 3y all that squared dx dy. Okay, so I can write this as from 1 to 2 integral from 0 to 1 of 1 over 2x plus 3y 1 over 2x plus 3y. All this dx dy. Okay, so now I can make this because I want to integrate. I can let my setting u be equal to 2x plus 3y, and I'll differentiate with respect to x, and I get 2. So du over 2 is giving me dx. I can put the value there, but since I've changed u, I have to change the limits of x. So at x equals 0, my u is equal to 2x plus 3y, and 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3y, I get 3y. And at x equals 1, I come and put it to the same equation. So u is equal to 2 plus 3y. So u is equal to 2 plus 3y. Hence, I go again, 1 to 2 of integral. My lower limit is going to be 3y. My upper limit is 2 plus 3y. All that 1 over u squared. Multiplying, instead of dx, I'll replace dx with du over 2. All over du over 2. All this dy. So this is how it's going to be. But mind you, since I've been able to replace all of them, and 1 over 2 is just a constant, I can bring it out, way out. So bring it way out. That is 1 over 2 integral of 1 to 2. Now I can integrate this with respect to u, and I'll get negative 1 all over u. And I'll introduce my limits. My limits are 2 plus 3y and 3y. So now I put the upper limits inside. So 1 over 2, 2 to 1 of negative 1 all over 2 plus 3y. Minus minus, because there's minus here, it becomes what? Plus 1 over what? 3y. All this dy. So this was supposed to come this way. All that dy. So now 1 over 2, I can expand this so that it will be easy for me. So from 1 to 2 of negative 1 over 2 plus 3y, all dy, plus another integral from 1 to 2 of 1 over 3y, this dy. Okay, okay. So now, since I have 2 plus 3y, I cannot integrate directly. I can also state here that let a certain thing certain thing be equal to 2 plus 3y. And my dv dy is going to give me 3, where dv over 3 is equal to dy. Hence, I replace the values back. Mind you, I can out replace the values of y2 with v. So, at y equals 1, my v is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. And at y equals 2, my v is equal to 2 plus 3 times 2, that is 8. So I have a new range so 1 over 2 and integral of the, when y is equal to 2, we have the integral 8 and 5 down here of what? Of a certain negative 1 over my v. And instead of dy, I multiply it by what? dv over 3 over 3. All this plus, since I know 1 over, for this, I can just bring 1 over 3 out here. Let's see. Let me show this. I can bring 1 over 3 out here. 1 over 3 out here. Then it becomes 1 over y. So this becomes 1 over 3, the integral of this. And 1 over y, we all know 1 over y is ln y. So I have my 1 over 3 ln y. But with this my ln y, I have 1 to 2 of the values. So now this my 1 over 3 can also come out. So I get a certain 1 over 2 multiplying certain 1 over 3 negative, the negative is very important, negative of ln v, but this ln v has 8 and 5 as upper and lower limits respectively, plus my 1 over 3 ln of what? 2 minus ln of 1. Okay, so now I have my 1, let me close this bracket so that the 1 over 2 affects the whole thing. So 1 over 2 multiplying 1 over 3, 1 over 3, that's negative ln of 8 minus minus, so plus ln of 5. In this ln of 5, we'll close bracket, plus 1 on 3, ln 1 is 0, so I just write my ln 2. Okay. So I end up getting 1 on 6, 1 on, I can bring 1 on 3 out and come and multiply it by 1 on 2, and I get 1 on 6 multiplying negative ln 8 plus ln 5 plus ln 2. Thank you. This is our solution. Thank you.